Hey everyone, happy Monday. Y'all staying warm. Oh my gosh, this weather. Is this weather crazy or what? But of course, that is why I picked this fabulous product to share with you tonight. Okay? It's our naturally oil, y'all. It is so fabulous. I absolutely love it. It is great for all the time use, okay, but really, really great for when your skin is dry. Okay, it's really great for that. But, it is all purpose. And I'm going to tell you why I say that because there's so many uses, so many things I use this for. But the main thing is it really leaves your skin very hydrated, okay, and very nourished. It absorbs very quick, so it's very lightweight, so it absorbs really quick, which is really, really good. It is in our naturally line, so we do have a naturally line. If you're not familiar with that, it's a whole line. It has a cleanser, it has an exfoliating powder, it has the moisturizing stick, which I've told y'all. I think I did that a couple weeks ago, and oh my gosh, do you need to have one of those this week if you didn't get one? It's so great for dry chapped lips. And then of course there's a moisturizer. Okay, I'm sorry. There's the oil. So those are kind of part of the naturally line. So, but the oil is what I want to talk about y'all tonight. It's free of parabens, synthetic fragrances. It's free of synthetic dyes, and it's wonderful. Okay, it's wonderful. It sells for 50. Okay, let me look at a couple of other things I want to share with y'all because I want to tell you exactly what it's featured with. Okay, so it has a blend of sweet almond oil, olive oil, sesame oil, which are all natural emollients, okay, which are providing the moisturizing benefits. Okay, it also has vitamin E in it. Okay, the vitamin E is also an antioxidant as well. Of course, I told y'all it's 100% of all natural origin, okay? But it includes squalene derived from plants, which is an excellent moisturizer to help support the skin barrier to reduce the dryness, okay? So, what is really great about this? Number one, it lasts forever, okay? It lasts forever. But I'm gonna put a little bit of the drops in my hand and I'm gonna rub it in like this. Okay, I'm gonna rub it in my cuticles. Y'all, it smells so, so good. Put it on your heels, put it on your elbows. You can put it in your hair for any little frizzy flyaways. You can mix it with your moisturizer, okay? Mix it with your moisturizer and pat it on your face. It dries really, really quickly. If you have any dry areas or dry spots on your face, you can use it for that. You don't have to mix with the moisturizer. You can just use it alone. I like to also put it on like my eye. If I have any crepiness or dryness around my eye area, it's fabulous, y'all, to for any crepiness around the eye area. Okay, I don't put a lot, or I don't put a drop there. This is not for it doesn't say it's for eye use, right? So I'm careful with that, but I'll just kind of pat it, just kind of pat it around different dry areas on my face. Okay, so many uses. Okay, so many fabulous uses. It's suitable for sensitive skin. It is tested for skin irritancy and allergy. It's dermatology tested. It's non-comedogenic. It's not going to clog pores or anything. Okay, and so y'all, seriously, every single one of y'all that are my customers that have bought this from me, you love it. Like you've told me you love it, okay? Comment if you love this, okay? So tell me that you love it. Tell me that if you've never tried it, I want to know that you've never tried it. There's not a sample of it, unfortunately, but it's really great, okay? It's really, really great. But almost everybody, that are my customers, love how their skin feels. They absolutely love this product. Healthy glow. Your skin feels soft and supple. I love it for my cuticles. I love it for all the things. All the things. $50. Now's the time, y'all. This cold weather. Now's the time to really dive in to what is important for your skin during this dry time. Okay, lots of great things. We have a whole slew of products that are great for dry skin. So get with your Mary Kay consultant, and let us help you this season. Take care of the dryness, take care of your skin, and keep your skin from you know, from getting over dried and stuff like that. Okay. And so the naturally oil, $50. It's a great product. So thanks for joining, y'all. Bye, everyone. Stay warm.